Everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I thought I'd come with you today for a product review. In today's review, I have got this. What is this? This is a Pole Caddy. So, if you've ever been wanting to, I don't know, carry a flag, say on the 4th of July or something like that, or just carry flags in general, on your Sea-Doo, all we're gonna do is take this. We're gonna remove our cap and put this in. So this is the Pole Caddy. So let me just show you a few details about it first before I get it in there. So like I said, we're just gonna remove this guy and we're gonna put this guy in its place. And you'll see on the bottom it does have its O-ring there, so it is waterproof, just like the other. And it's going to just plug right in there. You go arrow to arrow, plug it right in, screw it in, and it's going to be super tight. And I also wanted to show you the straps on here as well too. This is going to be super sturdy, so you have your S-hooks here, one on each side. And to basically tighten and loosen things up, you'll see a little button right here. That's going to go ahead and grab the material. So if you want to loosen that up, tighten that up, you're going to go ahead and just pull it and press it down again and just slide it that way. So super simple. And I also wanted to show you maybe how tall this actually is and how far it's going to stick out from your back deck. So let's take a look. 6 1/4. 6 1/4. So we're gonna plug this in right here. It's gonna stick up about 6 1/4. No need to move the seat. Where are you gonna hook it? You can hook it right to your grab bars, or you can even put it right into where your Linq accessories might go. All right, and that's just gonna hook right into there. And so I just wanted to thank Panhandle Innovations, who had made this product. And I requested one and I got one, and we're gonna try it out. So Panhandle Innovations for Sea-Doo, the Pole Caddy. And once you get your pole in there, you'll be able to tighten that down and get it ready to go. So let's do that now. Okay, so all you gotta do is just plug it in arrow to arrow and give it a twist. There you go, it's already that sturdy. So we're gonna go ahead and secure it with the S-hook. So I'm gonna show you two places, one your grab handles and then also where your Linq accessories would go. So let's try that out. Me personally, I'll probably go to here, but I'm gonna show you. It just hooks one there, one there, and then just give it a tight down there, and there you go. That's it. So it's really tight up here on the grab bar, also here on the other side as well too. So that is one place that you can put it. If that works for you, great. So let's go ahead and take that off and put it in the other spot. So we're just gonna press that button, release it. And there's 1, 2. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and just put them in one on each side here. We'll hook it right in. One, 2. All right, tighten that up. There we go. Yep, I like this spot a little bit better because it kind of the straps are down low and you still have room to hold on to the handlebars as well too. So I like the spot a little bit better. And if you got a little bit of left over here, I suppose you could just tuck it in, pull it there. So that is not going anywhere. So that's the Pole Caddy. So let's go ahead and put a pole in there and let's just see what it looks like. Okay, I've got Old Glory, so let's get that in there. And Just screw that down as tight as you can. Finger tight. Yep, and there you go. So that's going to be looking good on the 4th of July or any day that you want to carry a flag. All right, guys, now that we got it in there, so let's go ahead and take the Sea-Doo out on the water and let's see how it looks. Guys, check it out. We got the Pole Caddy with Old Glory. There it is. It's on. There we go. That looks nice. Okay, so let's see how it works out in the open ocean. The Pole Caddy. And Old Glory. Yeah. Working out pretty good. Good. It is flying. How's that flag looking back there?
Fantastic.
It's looking fantastic. Pole Caddy. The flag was still there. Yes. So the Pole Caddy is working. All right, there's 35 miles an hour with the Pole Caddy. Woo! Oh, wow. So if you liked this video, if it was helpful, go ahead, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the water.